I give everybody that I sell a trailer to one of these really nice canvas bags. They come in handy. Hi, my name is Barbara D, Guaranty RV. I'm out here in Junction City, and today what I'm going to show you is a Heartland Sundance. This is a 278 BH, which means that it's about 27 feet, 8 inches at the box, and it's got a nice bunkhouse. Some of the things that I like about this particular trailer is it has a private bedroom that offers a bureau. So you get a dresser in there, place to put your folding clothes, and a little privacy from the family. It's got a great big dinette and a nice sofa that folds out into a bed for guests, and along with those 2 double bunks in the back corner. Another thing that they've been very smart about with this particular unit is the way that they designed the bathroom. It's got a great little cabinet in the corner, and it's got a basin, but most of all, no bathtub. It's got a shower that is reflective of something that you'd find in your own home. So let me tell you a little bit about this unit. It's an ultralight, so it's an aluminum cage trailer with closed cell insulation, about 2 inches, and then it's got a fiberglass siding on it as well. We order them with a lot of goodies, a lot of extra stuff to make it better for you guys. So it's got stabilizing jacks that you just are on a touch of a button. It's got a power tongue jack to lift it on and off the ball. It's got very nice compartments with we call a slam latch hinge. So it slams down there, no little butterflies to turn. A super nice set of steps to go up there. It's called a step above, and they're very, very solid. It features an outside kitchen, which includes a refrigerator. This is a unit that you could be out in for a week, or you could be out in it for 3 weeks. It's going to stand up to the weather. It's going to have lots of room. It will sleep up to 10 people, which is quite a bit. You're going to have one in every spot. It's a family vehicle. You're going to love it. My name is Barb. Please give me a call. I work out here at Guarantee. I love to visit with you on the phone, and my number is 541-521-4232. And what we took a look at today was the Sundance 278 Bunkhouse. Thank you so much.